Welcome back to part 2 of this video on the Citroen Berlingo. As we've said, this is a Cat S because of the floor damage and obviously damage to the tailgate, which has been repaired now. And in this part of the video, we'll be going over to time lapse and we'll be fitting the parts back together. We have already fitted the new tailgate, or the replacement tailgate. It's been painted. We'll shut that down now so you can see that closed. The new bumper is already painted, so that's here as well. So we'll get onto that. But as we've said, the floor is now all back together. No issues with that shutting. And if I bring this tailgate down as well, we'll have a look at the gaps around the outside. So that will shut. There you go. So if we have a quick look down here now, so the gaps, got good gaps down there. And then as we go into the boot rubbers, like we said before, you can see where it's going along there and it's catching the boot rubber all the way now. So that's good on that side. If we have a look around the other side, it's a bit darker this side, but we can also see that the rubbers are being caught all the way down and no problem with shutting the tailgate. So what we'll do now is we'll switch over and we'll start building the van back up, and you can see it all come together. So here's the finished video on the Citroen Berlingo Multispace. It's a 2019 model, it's 1.5 diesel, and it's a 5-speed manual gearbox. If you've not seen the first video, then click on the link in the top corner and you can see the previous damage. As I've said before, this is a Cat S on the insurance register, but it's now fully repaired. It's covered 68,000 miles, it's just had a brand new MOT carried out with no advisories, and also just had a full service. On the inside it is a good spec with features such as cruise control with speed limit system, electric windows and mirrors, air conditioning, power steering, lane departure warning system, rear parking sensors, full touchscreen infotainment system with sat-nav, DAB radio and Bluetooth connectivity. Now would be a good time to subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already. That way you won't miss out on any of my upcoming builds. If you have any questions, do contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com or leave a comment in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching these videos and we look forward to seeing you soon in another video.